Good afternoon, students. Okay, today onwards we have 3 to 3:30 the study hour class. So, in this class also we will take the I will take the class. Okay, get ready. Okay. In the last class we have studied prepositions of the place, direction, etc. Okay, now the continuation of the class, the same 8 question prepositions, the correct use of some prepositions. The correct use of some prepositions. For example, number 1, beside and besides. Beside means by the side of. Besides means in addition to. For example, my house is beside the Sai Baba temple, beside the Hanuman temple, beside the mosque. Okay, I know English besides Telugu and Hindi. Okay, besides means addition. I know English besides Telugu and Hindi. ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ తెలుగుతో పాటుగా తెలుగు అండ్ హిందీతో పాటు ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా వచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్వీన్ అమాంగ్. Between used only between two persons or things. When more than two persons or things, among is used. Father divided his property between his two daughters. Only two daughters. Here the four brothers always quarrel among themselves. Among themselves. Next, third one, at, in. At used for smaller places, I already told, and in for larger places. NTR was born at Nimmakuru in Krishna district. Nimmakuru is a small village. Krishna district is a vast or larger town city. Okay, next, she lives at Dilshuk Nagar in Hyderabad. Dilshuk Nagar is the larger place and a smaller place. Hyderabad is the larger place. Okay, right. Next, in, into. In means here used inside or rest of the position. Here into means in motion or in the movement. For example, we are in the classroom. We are in the classroom. The boy jumped into the lake or river. Okay? So this is the movement. This is the rest of the position. Next, on. Rest of the position. Upon, in motion or movement. They sat on the bench. They sat on the bench. The tiger jumped upon a goat. Jumped upon a goat. Next, since, for. Only in the meaning of time. Since is used for to tell point of the time. For is used for period of the time. Okay, for example, we have been living in this town for 5 years. Mr. Reddy has been teaching English since 2000. Here, 5 years means duration of the time. Exactly at what time they started living, we don't know. So, here, for. Here, since. Exactly 2000 are definite year. Okay, we have some more this type of differences. Okay, tomorrow class I will tell you. Get ready. Okay, you continually you note down. Only 3 words place prepositions of direction I missed. One is off, 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 from, upon. These 2 words I will give tomorrow. Okay, any doubt? Okay, you regularly note down your notes. Thank you.